Dressmakers, welcome again on the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a detailed tutorial on how to make patch pockets. This is the fabric I'm going to be using, and here you can see me marking 8 inches for the pocket height. Okay, this 8 inches is actually the actual pocket height plus 2 inches, which means I'll be needing 2 inches for the seam allowance. Okay, so now on the width of the pocket, I want it to be 5 inches, but you can see me measuring 3 inches on fold, which will give me 6 inches. So by the time I take out ½ inch to the right and ½ inch to the left, I will be left with 2.5, which will be 5 inches for the pocket width. And then on the height as well, I'll be left with 6 inches. So right now, what we are going to cut now is 6 inches by 8 inches. So now that we are cutting the 6 inches by 8 inches, it simply means at the end of the day we are going to have 5 inches by 6 inches. So now 1.5, we are going to take it for the hemming just like this, half and then 1. So 1.5 at the top is going to go this way, and then half at the base. So I've gone ahead to iron. So ironing it like this will make sewing easier. That's the 1.5. This is the half by both sides, and that's what I'm ironing. Half to the right, half to the left, just like this. And I have ½ inch at the base. That is the underneath part aside the 1.5 on the top. So prepare and iron this like this, then sew. You can see I've hemmed my 1.5 inch just like this. Okay, so next thing, I'm going to try to place this on the point where you want it to be on your dress. In this case, I'm working with a blouse, and for a blouse you can do anything from 8 inches to 9 inches, but if your client is really busty, you can do 10 inches. Okay, so and from the center front, I'm going to be coming in by 2 inches. So we are going to ensure that you place this properly from the shoulder. This is the shoulder line. You can see that's the starting point of my tape rule. Then I'm going to be making use of 8.5 right here. Okay, so now you are going to pin this in place. You can see I'm confirming the 2 inches now. Okay, so after pinning it as well, you also need to confirm the 2 inches as well. All right, if you have any questions, do not hesitate. Please leave your questions in the comments. And also, if you have not subscribed on this channel, please do so. Okay, if you have anything that you need clarity on concerning these pockets, just make sure that you actually leave it in the comments, and I'll be glad to answer you. All right, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. This is really important to me. Thank you. So now, after pinning it, I'm also still going to confirm that my placement of this pocket is actually where we want it to be. Okay, which is 2 inches from the center front of your blouse. So since this is correct, now we can go ahead to sew just like this. Sew the sides just like that. So you can see me. Just take a look at how I'm going to sew this. I'm going to sew this down neatly, and I want you to pay attention when we get to the other edge of this, because the sewing of the edge, which is at the top where you will put your hand inside, is a little bit different. And the trick I'm going to show you there is going to help your pocket to secure really well, and is also going to reinforce that starting point so that there is no tear off. So I made this tutorial really detailed so that every beginner can actually understand how to go about it. All right, so take a look at I'm doing this. Okay, I flip this in, okay, by 0.25, something like that. Then I go back all the way. So now this is going to help strengthen that part. All right, and you can see what I have now. Can you see that? So this is a good part that you need to pay attention to in your pocket. And here is the final look of the pocket. The pocket is really simple. I can't wait for you to recreate yours. and also don't forget to like this video. I'll see you again in these next videos. Thank you for watching.